Welcome to The Explainer. So, what if you could land a six-figure AI job in the next 6 months without paying for a single course? Today, we're going to break down the exact playbook to make that happen.
So let's just kick things off with a little inside baseball, a confession, if you will. The top ed tech companies, they're offering creators thousands, sometimes tens of thousands of dollars just to promote their AI boot camps. They promise these high-paying jobs in just a few months. But the problem is, those promises often fall completely flat.
You want to know why? Because the stuff they're teaching isn't just available for free online. In a lot of cases, the curriculum is already totally outdated for the modern AI era. Following their path doesn't just miss the mark for a six-figure job. It often won't even land you an internship. Seriously.
So instead of pointing you towards those courses, here is a proven step-by-step playbook. And this thing is built from over 7 years of real-world experience, hiring engineers, firing engineers, and building a multi-million-dollar AI company from the ground up. Okay, step 1. This is a fundamental mindset shift, and it's what really separates the true builders from, well, the hobbyists. You have to learn to think like an architect who designs systems, not just a predictor who's looking for a quick answer. And this right here, this highlights your biggest career opportunity. See, current AI models, they're pretty much stuck in what we call System 1 thinking. It's fast, it's intuitive, and honestly, it often just spits out predictable AI slop. The real value, where you come in, is building with System 2 thinking. That means creating systems that are slow, deliberate, and logical. You're basically blending AI's incredible speed with actual human-level judgment.
Okay, so you've got that architect mindset down. Now let's move to step 2. In a field this noisy, you absolutely need a way to figure out which skills are actually valuable and which ones are just, well, distractions. This is how you do it. It all boils down to this really simple formula. A skill's value depends on 3 things. Does it make a company money? Does it save them time? And is it rare? Look, if a skill doesn't deliver on one of those first 2, it has 0 business value. It doesn't matter how cool the tech is.
And this table just makes the difference crystal clear. Take a look at that top row. Just calling an API has basically 0 revenue potential and super low scarcity. Anybody can do it. That makes it a low-value skill. But now look at the bottom row. Building an end-to-end sales automation system. That has huge revenue potential and it's a rare skill. That is where you find the high-value opportunities.
But here's the catch. Even the most valuable skills on the planet are totally useless if nobody knows you have them. And that brings us right to step 3, building your machine for visibility and outreach.
You have to remember this. Think about it. The best restaurant in the city will go bankrupt if it has 0 marketing. Your career is exactly the same. You could be the most talented engineer in the world, but if you're invisible, your scarcity is effectively 0. So here's your action plan. It's kind of like a 2-part engine. Part 1 is your personal brand. You got to post every single day on a platform like X or LinkedIn. Share what you're learning, what you're building, your unique take on things. Then there's part 2, your outreach machine. Every single day, you reach out to 25 new people with personalized, value-driven messages. Do the math. That's 800 new potential connections every single month.
Now, to really stay ahead of the curve and keep your value high, you need to know what's coming before it hits the mainstream. This brings us to the next step, which is so crucial for your long-term success. By reading just 2 or 3 new research papers every morning, you're basically getting a sneak peek into the future of AI. You'll see what the big players are developing right now, you'll discover these game-changing ideas that are just hidden in plain sight, and you'll learn about new concepts months before they blow up on social media. This is your secret weapon. This is your competitive edge. All right, and finally, step 5. We're going to redefine success. It's not just about getting a job. It's about hitting a specific, empowering income target that gives you freedom and control over your life. So make this your new benchmark, $10,000 a month. And listen, this isn't some far-off dream. With this playbook, it is a completely achievable target, whether you're looking for a full-time role or you want the freedom of freelancing. Look, none of this is magic, okay? It's a system. You have to follow these 5 steps consistently. I'm talking every single day for 6 months, and you will build unstoppable momentum. Your pipeline will be full of meaningful conversations, and your odds of landing those high-value opportunities, they will skyrocket. So, this is your roadmap. The path is clear, and the clock is officially ticking. The only thing left to ask yourself as you get started is right there on the screen.
Thank you. Share and subscribe to Learn AI for more AI insights.